Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So this is another very important video for all the students who have taken admission in IP University or those who are just in the process of getting admission in IP University. Yesterday also I have uploaded one video in which it is told that from today your second round of choice filling is going to start. So you have to fill your choices according to your preferences. So now this in this video we are going to discuss about the academic calendar that has been released by IP University. So you may be shocked to see this calendar, you may be happy to see this calendar, that is all up to you. So let us see that here you can see Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University academic calendar for academic session 2021 for program covered by Ordinance 2. So here you can see that all the dates are mentioned. First semester of all programs, it is going to start from 23rd of November, and then Anugunj, that is the annual fest of IP University, that will be also held. So now we can see that there are certain things which may be like a bit surprising for all of you, that preparatory leave and self-study week for students, that will start from 9th of March and to 14th of March. And now semester end examinations and evaluations will be started from 15th of March. So this is something very strange, that from 15th of March your first semester exams will also be held, right? So after this you can see the dates for second semester are given in the same way, and means they are going to wind up their session in August. You can see the dates here, in the month of you can see that their session of second semester will end on 30th 8th 2021 sorry. So summer break will be there, and now there are certain things which are very important for all of you to know. So we are going to discuss those things, and the most important thing is that earlier there used to be a break, there used to be a holiday on Saturday, but this year it will not be considered. So classes will be held 6 days in a week including Saturday, so timetable is made accordingly. Then semester end examination schedule for various programs shall be notified by controller of examination. Then one working day in the academic session may be utilized for school or college institutional level festival. Means not many days will be given for these festivals and all these things. Then the date of minor test will be notified later on. There will be no winter breaks. So this is another important thing, there will be no winter break, and summer break will start from 27th of July till 30th of August 2021 for the students of the first and second semesters. So during this period the students can join summer training in all those programs wherever it is required. So now let us analyze this academic calendar of IP University. One thing is that they have not mentioned anything whether the classes will be online or offline, but most probably, right, 99% the classes will be held online only. So next thing is that you will have to study all the 6 days of the week, even Saturdays will also not be an off. Now you must be thinking whether it is good for you or bad for you. So there are both the things, you can take it positively also or you can take it negatively also. The most important advantage is that the classes will be online, so attendance thing will not matter much, so that you can take as an advantage. And winter break will not be there, so I think you have to stay at your homes only, otherwise also. So there won't be much requirement for winter break and all, so you can take it positively that you will be taking your classes at the comfort of your homes. So I think this information is very important for all of you. Share this video with others, like the video and subscribe to Kingdom of Learning. Thank you everybody.